The S22 Ultra is probably the most beautiful phone out there, but also the most slippery. I should know because I smashed mine within hours of getting it. Really annoyed with myself because I've been doing these videos for a couple of years now and I should know better, right? But I guess it just wasn't my day. I wish I had a case with it when it happened. But to be fair, it smashed quite easily as well, but that's another video. These are the latest Casetify cases for Android. I went for a bit of a selection here with their different models. Make sure to watch the entire video because there's a discount code for you here, and I'll make sure to keep it quick as well. All of their cases have this antimicrobial coating. Can't say this word. It basically gets rid of germs. It's called Defensify, and I think this is really important in today's world. Casetify make their cases with 65% recycled and plant-based materials. Starting with the Impact case, this is a great protective case. I've been using Casetify cases on my S21 Ultra, my 12 Pro Max, and then my 13 Pro Max. They really do protect your device against those nasty scratches, and if you're clumsy like me, these will save your bacon as well if you drop it. It's got this nice raised edge as well on the front, so you can place your phone facing down with the screen facing down on a flat surface, and it has a decent camera protection as well, so you get that nice 360-degree protection. Just make sure you get a screen protector as well, because for the S22 Ultra specifically, this massive display is a beautiful display, but with these curved edges, you just need that extra layer of protection. I'm still trying a screen protector myself, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out when I do review them. Casetify do them as well. If you go on the website, you see them there, and I've used them before. They are excellent. I just haven't tried the one for the S22 Ultra yet. They also have a variant of the Impact case, which is the Impact Crush. This is also a drop test approved case, but what I like about it is that despite the great protection, it doesn't make it a bulky case. It's just very slim and very sleek design. The material is made from upcycled phone cases, which is great. This is nice to see that they're very conscious about the environment, and they're constantly looking for areas to reduce waste. Recycling is just in their DNA now. They don't just look very nice, which is great from an unboxing experience, but even the ink that they use here is from plant-based materials. I think that's great. And I want to talk about their customizations, which is another very unique feature in the kind of accessories world. All of the Casetify cases for Android come in endless designs, whether it's a particular color that you want or a nice print that you like. Casetify have got you covered. Casetify have these really cool options where you can add your own name to a case or a monogram if you like. Awesome. I mean, their website is so easy to use. It's really nice to go in there and choose whatever you like, right? Your initials, or it might be a present to someone you like, one of your family or a friend. When they say that their designs are endless, they're not kidding. There's so many options there. Charging the S22 Ultra with this case on is no problem whatsoever. I've got a couple of different chargers as well, and they all work fine. Now, these next two cases are a little bit more on the extravagant side.
I think that's why you've been building up this wall now, and I don't really know how I'm supposed to break it down.
This one here is the mirror case, which I think is wicked. My first impression was, oh my gosh, how am I going to keep this clean and free of fingerprints? To my surprise, it doesn't pick up a lot of fingerprints. It's quite easy to keep it clean actually. Fantastic for those selfie shots because it basically works as a mirror. So if you're a TikToker, this is a major win for you, right? Because instead of using the front-facing camera, which is sometimes not great, this means you can use the main camera of the phone. It opens up a lot more options for you. You can use your wide lenses and get high quality videos out of it. I nearly forgot to ask as well, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe. There's loads more devices coming in, and with that, more accessory videos and reviews. I'm here at least once a week with a new video, so if you like my stuff, I really appreciate if you're subscribed. And this one here is the leather case. This one is pure class. I can totally see this one being a favorite for going out and showing off a kind of a unique style. I love textures on, kind of in general. I'm quite a fidgety person as well, so I love kind of, if I'm texting or typing a lot, it's nice to feel this at the back, and this case is perfect for that. You would think that it adds bulk because of the leather, but honestly, it's just as thin and light as the other cases. No issues with charging the phone with this case on as well. And like all Casetify cases, the cutouts are in perfect position here. With the S22 Ultra, you get this extra area of concern, which is the S Pen. So, you don't want a case that obstructs this, and, it needs a really nice and flat access to it, not not rough around the edges or anything like that. Casetify have been amazing, and they are providing you, all my viewers, with 15% discount on your Android phone case. To get that discount, just go to casetify.com/AlexG today to get your 15% off. I love Casetify cases because of their flexibility in design, because of how grippy they feel, and of course, because of the protection it gives me. I really think you're gonna like this playlist I've done over here, and YouTube reckons you're gonna like this video over here. Was it the other way around? I'm approaching 200 videos on the channel, so there's bound to be one that you like. Hopefully I'll see you there.